front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now tap on those type of dots at the top right corners. And to exclude some of your pictures, click on them. In order to delete the rest, select Delete option at the bottom. Hit OK in the pop-up and select Move to Bin in the other one. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!